Hello all, welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. Today we are going to learn non-Sanskrit weak names in Tulu. We have already learned Tulu weak names which are derived from Sanskrit in the lesson 25. In spoken Tulu, only Sanskrit origin weak names are used. Just for the knowledge purpose, you can learn non-Sanskrit weak names in Tulu. So let's begin. Nisraja, Nisraja, Sunday, Tingalaja, Tingalaja, Monday, Kemmaja, Kemmaja, Tuesday, Budenaja, Budenaja, Wednesday, Bolaja, Bolaja, Thursday, Bolliaja, Bolliaja, Friday, Taniaja or Sanyaja, Taniaja or Sanyaja, Saturday. Okay, now let us learn the meaning of each word one by one. First one is Nesraja. Nesar plus Aja. Nesar means sun in Tulu. Aja means day. Second one is Tingalaja. Tingul plus Aja. Tingul means moon in Tulu. Kim Aja. Kim plus Aja. Kim is the prefix which is used to signify red color. As Mars is in red color, it is Kim Aja, Tuesday. Buden Aja. Budena plus Aja. Bude means Mercury. Bol Aja. Bola plus Aja. Bola means a big sized round object. As Jupiter is the biggest planet, it is Bol Aja, Thursday. Bolli Aja. Bolli plus Aja. Bolli means silver. As Venus is shiny like silver, it is Bolli Aja, Friday. Tani Aja or Sunny Aja. Sunny plus Aja. Sunny or Tani or Chani means Saturn.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.